Malik, are you working? Oh, good. Okay, so let's go to the diagram. Oh, well, the first one is easy. What do you multiply 190 by to make it into radians? Pi over 180. Yeah. So if I do that, let's see. 190 multiplied by pi over 180, and you get 3.32 radians. But what is the question, Simon?
You don't want it with the pi.
No, I think that's fine if you leave it with the pi. Some people wrote 19 over 18 pi radians is fine. Okay, so that's part A. Part B, we have our ship. Right, maybe you can give me the distances if you know them. We know this distance, 60. And what else do we know? We know 80 is for the whole thing. Now, because this is 45 and this is 90, what's this? 45. Which means they are the same. And if the total is 80, then this is 20, and this is 90.
No.
And if
Not that one.
no. What? Oh, my picture's ugly. Yeah. Yeah. Picture's ugly. Alright. It's like this. Better? Yeah, okay. But this is okay. Yes. Now, this is 90, this is 45, this is 45. So these two are the same. So we can use Pythagoras. X squared plus x squared equals 20 squared. 2x squared equals 400. X squared equals 200. X equals root 200. X equals 10 root 2 kilometers. Or if you want, that's 14.14 km. Yeah. Is that all of B? No, and then that's only part 1. And then part 2, by how much does both B need to increase its angle so that I can reach L? And L is, yeah, there it is there. So what you want now is you want both B to head to L. So we can draw a new triangle. This is, yeah, very good. This is 60, this is 80, and we want this angle, which is theta. So we can say tan inverse 80 over 60. Yeah? Thank you. What is it? 53. Is that the answer?
No.
No, it's not, because the question said how much to increase. So it's 53.13 minus 45. 8.13. Okay, the next part? Yes? The smallest angle, 7, 65, 68. Um, 7, 65, 68, and we want this angle here, which I'll call A. This is the smallest angle. The smallest angle is opposite the smallest side. So we have 7 squared equals 65 squared plus 68 squared minus twice 65, 68 cos A. So we can easily get that from our calculator. 7 squared minus 65 squared minus 68 squared divided by minus 2 times 65 times 68. So I get cos A equals 220 over 221.
5.45.
5.45, yeah. Is that okay? Yes. Continue? Yes. Okay. So, not that bad. Not that bad. The D is a bit of a pain. Y equals 2 sine 2x plus pi over 4, and the x is from, and there's a plus 1, minus 1 as well, and the x is from 0 to 2 pi. Now before you can start this, you have to rewrite it like this. Y equals 2 sine 2 bracket x plus pi over 8 bracket minus 1. That the first thing we do for these problems, if you remember, is to take the 2 out and just have an x. So this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, and this is the D. Now I think maybe some people forgot about this part here. It was a long time ago since we did it. But if you remember, if you can remember, we have to take the 2 out first. Did you remember to do that? Oh, good.
Yes.
Good. Okay, so we make our table. Start, end, min, and max. We go from 0 to 360, minus 1 to 1. Okay, so what does this A do? Expand 2 units on the Y. So we have 0, 360, minus 2 to 2. Done. The B? Compress which? The X. So it'll be 0 to what? 180 minus 2 to 2. The C. Oh, sorry, I wrote 360. I should really be writing 2 pi. I'll fix that. Two pi. Okay, next. Move left, yeah. So here, minus pi over 8, and here, 7 over 8 pi, and this minus 2 to 2. And finally the D, up or down? Down. So we now finish with what we need, and we put in a box. Yeah, minus pi over 8, 7 over 8 pi, minus 3, 1. Okay, can I draw this? Yeah. In the question I ask you for 0 to 2 pi. And here I go from minus pi over 8 to 7 pi over 8. So, let me do this carefully. This is 2 pi. This is pi. This is 3, no, that's ugly. Let me fix that nicely. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi over 2, pi over 2. So in red, this would be pi over 4. Here, this is minus pi over 2. This is minus pi over 4. So here is minus pi over 8. That's pi over 4, that's pi over 2, That's 3/4 pi. So here is 7/8 pi. So we'll put in our box in blue. No, yes. Oh yeah, and I need to put in -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3. So at -3 we're here, and at 1 we're here. Now where's the middle of -pi/8 and 7pi/8? It'll be 3/8 pi. So there's pi/4, pi/8. So 3/8 will be here in the middle. And then the middle here would be at it'll be at -1, which is here. And if it's sine, do I start at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Middle. So the graph goes like this. Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, I think I should sign it even. We'll open up the program to make sure we do have a beautiful graph. Now look, in the exam, you have graph paper. You have a ruler. You can take your time and you can measure. There's plenty of time. It's 2.5 hours. What else are you going to do? You know, plenty of time. Did anybody get anything like this? No? Nino? No? You got the axis right, what? The cosine one would start here to the left and go down, yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Let's have a look at this, if there's anything else here. No. It's 4 marks, you know. Not worth it. The person who writes the exam at the moment makes them as difficult as this, so it might be actually quite good. Okay. Should be okay. Well, let me just type the formula in. What is it? Y equals 2 sine 2x plus pi/4 minus 1, yeah? This is it? Oh, it's exactly the same.
Oh, sure.
It is. Look at that. Spot the difference. I can't. Identical, right? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now, is there anything we want to look at from semester 1 still, or will we start looking at semester 2? Because I remember I said after this we'll think about it. So what do we think? We'll start looking at semester 2 probability, yeah? So what we'll do is we'll do the probability that the engineers do as well from semester 1, which is the probability trees. You remember? We'll start with those. Yeah. Well, show me how good you are if you can do them then. So